Hey y'all, today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a beautiful braid using the ponyo. So the ponyo doesn't just give you really beautiful ponytails. Even though the ponytail is like the most trendy thing out there right now, the ponyo actually does a bunch of beautiful styles. You can do beautiful updos with it, but today I'm gonna show you the braid. It is extremely elevated. It actually makes the braid look so much thicker and fuller, and you're gonna just see such a big difference. So here we go. So move all your hair to one side. So I'm gonna pick this side. I'm just gonna comb it out with your fingers. And me, I like it super messy. I like the kind of like wispy look. So I keep some hairs down. So I'm gonna leave that in front and then kind of get the like side of the ear and leave that up front. All right, now take your hair and do like a side braid with it. Just a normal side braid. Just like that. Boom. Take the ponyo, 2 fingers, and flip the hair through, just like that. Okay? Now you squash the ponyo flat as if it was in a ponytail. And then I like to spread the braid out to the end, because that gives it that fullness and that thickness that I'm looking for. And then you take your thumb and you bend it. So you bend the corners. So bend, just like that, bend. Boom. So then you've got that kind of horseshoe look right there. Drop it. And again, you see, compared to a hair tie is gonna be like this small. This gives that thickness and fullness. So what I like to do with my braids is pull on them. So you take the end of your fingers and tug. The more you tug, the more full of a braid you'll get. How's it looking? A little bit more? Bigger the better here, girls. Messier the better too. I like it to be a little disheveled, because then you don't look like you're trying too hard. And that's it. You have the most beautiful braid with the ponyo, because look how thick it makes your hair look. It doesn't like confine your hair and make it look smaller. It gives it that bigness, that fullness that we all crave in a braid. So if you liked this video, please push like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Ponyo Hair Girl and Ponyo Hair to see more tips and tricks to using your ponyo. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it.